Alright folks, some really cool free stuff going on today until the end of, what is this, May 31st here, 2020. MOZ Academy is offering free training for all, over a dozen on-demand courses to level up your SEO skill set. Promo code right here, we got this. So I signed up yesterday, and there's only one course in here that is not available within that promo thing, and it's about a $600 course. I did this one yesterday, $149, obviously for free, and I signed up for all these ones using the promo code. And obviously there's a lot of stuff in here. These are pretty in-depth courses from the ground up, if you will. 3 courses here, 3 courses in this series. Let's look at some of this. Backlink Basics, it's a 91-minute course. There are videos. Let's just take a look at it. I already signed up. If you didn't sign up, you're just going to have a little checkout thing. You don't even need to put a credit card or anything, any information in here. You just put the code in, it says purchase, and you're good to go. And this is kind of like an outline of the thing here. And you can also play the videos at different speeds, so you can actually, do this in, a little less time, maybe, an hour if you, play the video at quicker speed. But I do recommend, if you're going to get into this stuff, doing it at a speed that you're comfortable at, obviously. So check it out. This is a quick video today. Also, check out my other video. I made a bunch of playlists here. I could put a playlist together, in other words, of all this cool stuff that's going on right now, free stuff, some tips and tricks, and all this kind of stuff. It's a playlist right there. I'll put a link in the video description below. I'll put a link for this in the video description below as well. And that's it. I will talk to you soon.